Westermans here. Here we have a Bode 1. Let's have a look, I forgot. Bode 1/VP5 5,000 kilo positioner, which is variable speed, dependent control, obviously with a power tilt. This machine can be sold fully serviced or refurbished, or sold as is. It's been slightly picked up from the bottom, with some beams running underneath. Table diameter 1500 with T-slotted table. T-slotted table and centering rings. I'm just gonna from floor to centre of the table is approximately 1 metre 150. Bode positioner, heavy duty, obviously lasts for many years. Refurbished, we can replace the variable speed control box, repaint, go through the gears, motors, pinions, parts that need replacing will be done so. Also under service we would also do the same, but without the repaint and without the new electrics. Refurbish is a POA option, so please ask if required.